In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a draft in x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you've saved a draft by mistake, want to clean up old unfinished posts, or just want to keep your drafts folder organized. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com or the Twitter app and make sure you're signed into the account where the draft was saved. Once you're inside, look for the post button and click it. This is where X stores your draft tweets, so even though you're not actually posting anything, this is the place you need to open. After that, tap or click on drafts. This will show you all of the unfinished tweets that have been saved to your account. Now, you should see a list of your draft posts. Next, click the edit icon in the top right corner. This is usually the button that lets you manage your drafts instead of just viewing them. Once the editing mode opens, select the tweet you want to delete. If you have more than one draft saved, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't remove anything by accident. After selecting the draft, click delete. X will remove that draft from your account right away and it will no longer appear in your drafts list. If you want to delete more than one draft, you can repeat the same process for each one until your drafts folder is clean. And that's it. You've now deleted a draft in x.com or Twitter. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy social media tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.